Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So let's try and fix the error Rage plugin hook crash for GTA 5. Now as you can see right here, this is going to be how the error looks like. So I have a few steps for you to check on how to fix this one. First thing is going to be check the game compatibility. Make sure the game Rage plugin is going to be compatible with GTA 5. To do that one, you can just check if your game is actually updated in Steam. Next up, launch Rage as administrator. So for example, I have the Rage plugin, right? If I type right there, as you can see, I don't have the Rage plugin, but for example, I have it. So click on the file, right click, and run as administrator. So to look for the administrator, it should look like this one. As you can see right there, it says run as administrator. And that's how you run any files as an admin. For the next step for you guys is disable unstable plugins. Meaning on the Rage plugin hookup startup screen, go to plugins and manage. So disable anything rather than the Rage plugin. Now for the next step, you need to verify your game files. If you're using Steam as a launcher, go to the Grand Theft Auto 5 or GTA 5 game, and basically for this one, go to settings, and there should be a verify game files under manage. Since mine is uninstalled, meaning I don't see it right there, but if your game is installed, just check on the manage option, and there should be a verify game files option right there. And lastly, check your Windows Security Defender. So disable it, just typing security right there on your Windows. Look for this one that says virus and threat protection. Look for manage settings for this one. And basically real-time protection, turn this off. And that's it.